One is an alternative to the Grumpy Jar, and I really like this. It's the Worry Monster or the Worry Box, and this is where you'll just literally get an old box, shoe box, decorate it as a monster, and the kids can do this. They can have their own worry box, or they can have a class worry box, and it's literally, they'll have a little slot in the top where they'll write their worry on, and then they'll pop it in the Worry Monster and then give no thought to it, hopefully for the rest of the day. And then as a teacher, you can see again what's going on in the room, and that's just a really nice way to again monitor who's putting their worries in that box. You have one for staff as well.
Yes,
have a staff worry box. Well, this is a really nice way, particularly for the little ones, isn't it, who you feel not as able to kind of speak up for themselves and go, oh, this is really worrying me and I'm going to go and shake my jar and stuff. This is just a really nice way to write down what they're thinking and pop it to one side. So the Worry Monster.
I think as a teacher, though, you need to make sure that you are checking this regularly to make sure that the worries that are in there aren't too worrying, if we say, because some of them might be something really sort of, oh, I don't like my lunchbox today, or, you know, something like that that is a valid worry for their child, but is really easily fixed for them. Some might be a little bit more worrying than that and may need your help
and intervention.
So I think if you're going to do this, setting it up at the beginning of when you start it is really important, that the children know that you will be looking at those worries, and if they feel that they want the Worry Monster to tell you about it, they could even write their name on it to say, you know, Worry Monster, tell them it's me, and they know the teacher will come and help them. A lot of time with their handwriting, the teacher will know who it is anyway, but it just might need that next step of a little chat, or sometimes even more, which is really sad, but sometimes this is the only way that that child would have of communicating that they felt safe with. Yeah,
absolutely. So the Worry Monster, the Grumpy Jar, really, really lovely ideas and cost absolutely nothing. So set one of them up or both of them up in your classroom if you haven't done already.